All right, everybody. Welcome back to another edition of Blind Guy Tries. Today, I have a new product here from Reese's. These have been out for maybe a month, but I just finally found them. They sound pretty delicious. They combine two of your favorite things as a kid, animal crackers and Reese's. And they are the Reese's covered animal crackers. Kind of a tiny bag, so that's kind of a bummer, but I suppose who needs a giant bag? As far as I know, these are just like Reese's frosted coated animal crackers. Let's get a couple of them here. And here's what they look like. Okay, that's not what I was expecting. I was expecting them to be coated, but they kind of feel like they are, like, I don't know. They are. So, the cream, or the frosting on the outside is peanut butter. Really hard animal crackers. That's weird. Breaks down easy. Good Reese's taste. You know what this tastes like? Reese's Puffs. Those are some hard animal crackers. I don't know how they got those so hard. Unless they overbaked. I don't know. Tastes just like flat Reese's Puffs. And they come in cute shapes. I'm going to give these 4.7 out of 5. Really, the only thing that I would take away from them is that hard cookie. I wish it was more airy. Because I just bought some animal crackers today too, and they're not that hard, so I don't know. But yeah, that'd be the only thing I'd change. Those are pretty delicious. 4.7. Other than the hardness, flavors are delicious. That's going to do it for this quick little review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you around. Or maybe.